Logan, Rush, Shelby, and Tipton. Wind advisory in effect from 8 p.m. this evening to 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday. Southwest winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour expected. The areas affected include portions of central Indiana. The hazardous conditions are expected from 8 p.m. this evening to 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday. The following impacts are expected. Gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for central Indiana. For the period through tonight, isolated to scattered thunderstorms are possible through the afternoon. There is a low chance of severe storms during this period. There is a moderate risk for severe thunderstorms, mainly tonight. A line of thunderstorms is expected to move through this evening, damaging winds to 70 miles per hour, and some risk of a few brief tornadoes will accompany this line of storms. Strong winds gusts up to 45 miles per hour are possible this evening even outside of thunderstorms. And now the extended outlook for the period Saturday through Thursday. Strong wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour are likely on Saturday. There is a chance of thunderstorms Monday night through Wednesday. Severe storms are possible during this period, especially Tuesday afternoon and Tuesday night. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation is expected this evening. And now a look at your forecast.